You have 15 coins in your pocket that are either quarters or nickels. They total $2.75. How many quarters do you have? So first, let's define our variables. We are talking about quarters and nickels, and we're talking about how many we have. So let's let Q equal the number of quarters that we're going to have, and N will equal the number of nickels that we have. So the first relationship is that you have 15 coins, so the number of quarters plus the number of nickels should be 15. Next, we have our monetary value. So we have that a quarter is worth 25 cents or 0.25 Q, and a nickel is worth 5 cents or 0.05 N, and it should total to the $2.75, the total amount of money that we have. Now that we have our system, we need to solve it for Q to find out how many quarters we have. So I'm going to use substitution. I'm going to take the first equation, Q plus N equals 15, and I'm going to substitute, or I'm going to solve for N by subtracting Q. So we'll have N equals negative Q plus 15. I'll then substitute that expression into the other equation for N. So that will give me a new equation of 0.25 Q plus 0.05 N, but no longer N, because we're going to make our substitution. So it'll be plus 0.05 times negative Q plus 15, and that will equal 275. So if I distribute the 0.5, that will give me 0.25 Q plus, minus, because of the negative, 1 minus 0.05 Q plus 0.75 equals 2.75. Then we'll combine our like terms. So 0.25 Q minus 0.05 Q is going to be 0.2 Q. Plus 0.75 equals 2.75. We'll subtract 0.75 from both sides, which will make 0.2 Q equals 2. And if we divide by 0.2, we will get that Q equals 10. So if Q equals 10, that's the amount of quarters. So 10 is Q. So our answer is B, 10 quarters.